This is Honor View 20, and today I'll show how you can set up the portable Wi-Fi hotspot on this device. So to start, you will need to launch Settings, then enter the Mobile Network category. Here open the Tethering and Portable Hotspot, then go for the Personal Hotspot, and here you have it. Now you can enable or disable it. You can configure your hotspot, change its network name or SSID, the encryption type. Well, you can choose between WPA2 personal and none. You can also obviously change the hotspot password, set up the automatic turn off timer here. What else? You can also set the data usage limit, custom one, of course. You can manage connected devices and manage the devices block list. And well, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.